so today's video, we're just gonna go to the store. We're not gonna walk because, I'm just not feeling the greatest. So we're just gonna go to the store. And yes, in real life, I am feeling fine right now. So yeah, it's just the character. Okay, so please like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Hope you like the video. Let's get into it. Okay, Mom, when is the taxi gonna get here? We've been waiting for like 10 minutes. Honey, I see it now. Oh, okay. Why is there no one driving it? Oh my gosh, hopefully it's not a smart car. The lights... Okay, I don't know. There's no one around. Maybe it's like a Tesla or something inside. I don't know. Well, come on, let's put Ben. Or just get in. No. Okay. Let's go. Guys, I didn't know the car could do this stuff. I'm just gonna quickly show you all the stuff that the car can do. So basically all the doors can open, it can go either way. The trunk can open, sorry, I had to move locations. All the doors can open, obviously you can sit in all of the seats. Here are all the new animations for the taxi, and then obviously all this stuff. So yeah, that's really cool. And yeah, so let's get back into it, sorry. Oh, come on guys. Okay, come on guys, we gotta hurry and get out. Come on. Gotta get everyone out. Okay, Ben, thank you. And let's go inside. Okay, let's just grab a... Oh, we don't need a card, actually. We need a basket. So we shouldn't be getting that much stuff. Let's see. What do I need? We should get... Oh, yes, we need more yogurt. Okay. And then... Where's the basket? Oh, it's over here. The basket is over here. I'm sorry, guys, if this is, like, not a good video. I'm really trying my best. And also, I am sorry that I haven't been on here as much. I'm just really, really busy with, like, school and homework. And it's just... I barely have any time after school because I get home so some strawberries, and then I think that's all we need for now. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Hope you like the video. Bye, guys.